All right, let's do our alphabet. Are you ready? A, oops, A, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Here is our alphabet. Here they are. Go ahead and close those eyes. All right, go ahead and open them. What letter did I cover up today? I can start up here. I can say my ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. It is the letter Y. The Y comes after the X and before the Z. Good job. Let's do rhyming. Right, remember rhyming words sound the same at the end. Cat, hat, your turn. Cat, hat. C, B, your turn. C, B. Nice, rice, your turn. Nice, rice. Pup, cup, your turn. Pup, cup. And goat, boat, your turn. Goat, boat. Good work with those rhyming words. Let's do the beginning sound we hear in the words. We're going to slide it across and come back to that first sound we hear. I'll do it, then you do it. Yard, y. Yard, y. Just, j. Just, j. Quick, qu. Your turn. Quick, qu. Now, your turn. Now, boys, b. Boys, b. Good work. All right, get those chompers ready to chomp the syllables and say the whole word. Ready? Puppet, puppet. Your turn. Puppet, puppet. Finish, finish. Your turn. Finish, finish. Napkin, napkin. Your turn. Napkin, napkin. Ticket, ticket. Your turn. Ticket, ticket. Candle, candle. Candle, candle. Good work. This time we're going to slide the word and punch up the last sound we hear in the word. Clock. Your turn. Clock. Good. His. Your turn. His. Okay. Meat. Your turn. Meat. Good. Side. Your turn. Side. Good work. And move. Move. Ooh, tickle my lips. Move. Good job. That was a we heard at the end. Okay, this time we're going to say the whole word and then segment it into syllables by using our chompers. Are you ready? Okay. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Your turn. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Good. Hammer. Hammer. Your turn. Hammer. Hammer. Okay. Go. Basket. Basket. Your turn. Basket. Basket. Okay. Let's do absent. Absent. Your turn. Absent. Absent. And let's do baby. 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 Your turn. Baby. Baby. Okay, I'm going to have a word and then I'm going to add a word to the end and then we'll clap it to make it a whole word. Okay, so listen to what I add. Pick, ing, picking. Your turn. Pick, ing, picking. Good work. I have fish, ing, fishing. Your turn. Fish, ing, fishing. Kick, ing, kicking. Your turn. Kick, ing, kicking. Plant, ing, planting. Your turn. Plant, ing, planting. And I have melt, ing, melting. Your turn. Melt, ing, melting. Okay, this time we're going to delete a syllable from a word, so I'm going to take it away and you have to tell me what is left. Cleaning, cleaning. If I take away ing, what is left? Clean. Good work. Okay. Walking, walking. If I take away ing, walk. Good work, guys. Okay. Cooking, cooking. If I take away ing, what is left? Cook. Good work. Talking, talking. I have talking. If I take away ing, what is left? Talk. All right. Last one. Looking, looking. If I take away the ing, what is left? Look. Give yourself a pat on the back. Great work, guys. Let's do our poem. All right, it's our poem from last week. Old Mother Hubbard. You ready to read it with me? Okay, let's start right here. Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to get her poor dog a bone. But when she got there, the cupboards were bare. So the poor dog had none. Oh, poor dog, he had no food. The cupboards were bare. I highlighted some words here. Hubbard, cupboard. How are those words alike? They are. Those are rhyming words. They sound alike. Listen, Hubbard, cupboard. Good work. How about this word? There, bear. How are those words alike? There, bear. Those are also rhyming words. Old Mother Hubbard. All right. Thank you guys. I'll see you later. Have a great day.